Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I partnered with Fabfitfun to show you guys what's inside their winter 2018 box. I've already seen what's inside this box and used some of the products already, and I'm actually wearing some of them right now. But this is by far my favorite box yet. I love the winter season. I love what they put in this box. I think everything is just perfect, and I always say, every time I think of like a new product or something that's like cool out right now, it shows up in the Fabfitfun box. It's just amazing. For those of you that don't know what Fabfitfun is, it's a seasonal subscription box that comes out 4 times a year. So you get a box each season, and they just released their winter box. And these boxes are full of full-size makeup products, beauty products, wellness, fashion, lifestyle. So you get a really cool mix of things for each season in every box. And the best part about these boxes is that they're $49.99 each, but you get a value of over like $200 in each box. So it's amazing. You get to try these really amazing products. I think this box actually has a value of like $335 because like you can personalize your boxes now and pick different items, so some things are worth more than others. But if you guys haven't tried Fabfitfun already, you guys can use my discount code KM10 to get $10 off your first box. So you guys can get it for $39.99, and make sure you guys sign up right now because you guys have a chance to personalize your box and pick out different items and pick and choose what you guys would like. So let's dive into this and I'll show you guys what's in my box. Okay, look how cute the inside of this is. It says find your cozy, and it's completely full to the top of this box. So the first thing I see in here is the Fabfitfun magazine, and I always use this to try and find like the prices of things and see what the other options were. So you guys get like a full list of all the products, and it says you either get this or that kind of thing, and you see all the details and how much the box value is. So this one says a total value of $290 and $335, just depending on the options that you choose. So that is just crazy to me. There's also a HelloFresh gift card, $60 gift card. Wow, I've heard of HelloFresh and I definitely need to start using them. And then this is a $10 off your first Fabfitfun box using the code. So that is amazing. You guys can share this with a friend, pass this on as a gift. It says that is such a good idea, like putting this maybe like in a stocking or putting it in a card so that somebody else can try Fabfitfun too. Okay, there are so many items in this box. I am obsessed with this box. So I'm gonna start with this thing because I think it is amazing and I just can't believe that it's in this box. This is the Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Roller. And before this box came, I've been thinking about jade rollers. I've heard about them so much, and I was thinking about buying one, and then of course Fabfitfun comes along and gets a jade roller in this box. So it's amazing. I think it's so beautiful, and the whole thing is jade and gold, and it's so pretty. So I've heard about these online that you like rub them on your face like that, roll out your face, and it helps like depuff your face, it helps with circulation, helps with beauty. So it's a very like ancient thing that people have been doing for a long time. So I think it's really cool that they came out with these little rollers, a little area to roll out your eye. So I've actually been using this already, like in the morning, rolling out my eyes, because I always feel like puffy and tired, you know? So I get the circulation going, rolling it around my eyes. I do it after I cleanse my face and moisturize it, so it kind of has like a nice slippery clean surface to roll on. But yeah, I probably shouldn't have rubbed that on my face with makeup on, but I think this is amazing, and I think it's so cool that it came in the box. So I really love that. I was really excited to see that in the box. Let me share with you guys the price on this. So this is one that has options. You guys get to pick the jade roller or 2 other items, and the jade roller was $45. So that's already like the full amount of the box just in one item. So I think that is just crazy. You're gonna notice that as the box goes on, that the value just keeps adding up. It's just amazing. So $45 jade roller, yes please. Ooh, here's something else I used this morning. It was amazing. I really needed this actually. So this is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask for your hair. So it's a hair mask. I put it back in the box so I could show you guys, but it comes in this amazing little bottle. Actually, it's not little, it's actually very large. And it's like this thick cream that I put on my hair. So I shampooed and conditioned my hair and then had this sit on my hair afterwards for like 5 minutes. And it says to put it from root to end of your hair, but I just put it at the end because that's kind of like where my dryness happens, and it like really smooths it out. It felt like I had leave-in conditioner in, and it smells amazing, and I use Moroccan oil all the time, so I think it's a really good hair mask, and this was $49. So that's like a $50 hair mask. That is amazing that it came in this box. But this is the one that you get to pick between this and something else as well. So that's what I mean by personalizing your box. If you don't choose this, you guys can get something else. All right, this item, I am so excited that they put this in this box because I have been using these like crazy, but it is essential oils. It comes with 2 in this pack. So it comes with sweet orange and eucalyptus, and it's by Elevate. So you get full-size essential oils. These are amazing. This one's sweet orange, and I like to put these in my diffuser, and sweet orange is like such a joyful, like clean scent. It makes my house smell so clean. That one and eucalyptus, and these ones are like my favorite scent. I use sweet orange and eucalyptus every day, and I usually mix them together and diffuse them into the air, so it just makes my house smell so clean and like fresh and nice. But essential oils can be like used on your skin and your body to help heal things, so I need to read into the details because I'm not like an expert on essential oils, but I definitely do use them. These ones are worth $31, by the way, this whole pack together, $31. And it says that eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms. I did not know that. And sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. Wow, that is amazing. So I am definitely an essential oil user, so I cannot believe that they put these in there as well. I feel like this box knows me. I feel like Fabfitfun like knows me, unless we're all just doing the same thing out there. But that is so great that these are part of this box. If you're not an essential oil user, there's actually another option you can get. So if you're not really interested in the essential oils, there's another option you can choose as well. So that goes along with the whole personalization of the box, but I love essential oils, so I chose this one. Ooh, I was using this morning to get ready. I'm actually wearing it right now. It is amazing. It's the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener. So it's kind of like a highlighter. It says to use it on your inner corner, so it looks like this. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's like a highlighter. So I used it on my inner corner. I used it on my brow bone and then like kind of my cupid's bow area and my nose. So it's honestly like a highlighter stick, and it's really, really pretty. And I can't believe that it like comes in this little pencil version where you can kind of like draw around and like put it in very tiny specific spots. So this is one of the items that everyone gets, and this one is $24. Another thing that everyone gets in this box is this Ahava Hydration Cream Mask, and I used this last night because with this like dryness right now, the fires around here, like the air is getting really, really dry. Winter makes the air really, really dry in general. So I've been noticing that my face is getting pretty dry, like pretty extremely dry. So I put this on last night after I cleansed my face and it was all clean. I kept mine on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinsed it off. So it kind of lets that moisture like soak into your skin, and then you can rinse it off afterwards. But I feel like if any kind of mask I'm gonna be using, it's gonna be a hydration mask. So this one is great because it's not one of those like peel off ones or whatever. It's just like a clean rinse. It smells so good. This is something that everyone gets as well, and it's $33. Here's something you guys are really gonna like. You guys always comment on my lip color if I ever switch it up in a video. So today I'm wearing a new one, if you guys noticed, and it's the one that came in the box. It's by Bite Beauty. I love Bite Beauty. This one really excites me because it's a nice neutral shade. It's called Merengue. I'm using it right now. It's so pretty and just like kind of like a nice pinky nude, and it's kind of like an everyday color. So I'm really happy I have this now, and this is $26, and this is one of those items that you could pick between this and 2 other things. So if you're not really into lipstick or don't really like the shade, then there's other items for you to choose. So I think that's really great as well. Okay, I really think you guys are gonna like this one because I really, really like this. This is a Lili Saduhi necklace, and I love getting my jewelry from Fabfitfun. Like, look how pretty and dainty. Oh, it's so pretty and delicate, this nice circle necklace. I love the silver for the holiday season because I feel like silver is like a nice winter color. This necklace is $49, so that is crazy and amazing. This is actually one of those items that you can choose between 2 other things as well. So if you're not really like a jewelry wearer, there's other options for you, so that's really cool. All right, another beauty item in this box is this black eye mask, and I love these little eye masks. I don't know if you guys have tried these before. I think I've gotten a different kind in a Fabfitfun box before too, but they're really great for like moisturizing and depuffing your eyes. These ones are actually activated charcoal. They come in these little like to-go packs. Like, I feel like I can just pack them in different things, take them traveling, and they just kind of like stick onto your under eye. and I feel like that's where, you know, you need that moisture and depuffing, and I feel like it goes along really well with the Jade rollers. So I feel like this is so cool. There's so many nice beauty products in here. This comes with 5 masks, and this is something that everyone gets as well. This whole pack is $29. I love that they thought about putting these little black eye masks in this winter box, because in the winter your face is dry, your eyes are tired, like my eyes just feel puffy every time I wake up now. I don't know what's going on, so I'm really excited to try these either at night or in the morning before I do my makeup. I feel like that would be like really refreshing. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried these little eye masks. I feel like I see them everywhere and like they just excite me, you know? Eye masks and masks in general are such like a girly thing. I love it. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys have tried eye masks. All right, so we're coming to an end here. I have one last item to show you guys, and I saved opening it to show you guys on camera because I want to like experience it with you guys, because this thing is big and it got me so excited when I opened up this box. So it's the Mark & Graham Color Block Throw Blanket. And I love the color of it. I feel like this matches my house and every other person's house really, so they're super neutral. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's so soft. I am so excited to put this around my house. You can either get it in gray ivory or neutral ivory. So I think this is neutral ivory. It also costs $49. So this is just insane. I feel like every single item in this box has cost $50. So you get such amazing value. Ooh, look how cute. Oh my God, it's so thick. Oh wow, it's like double-sided. Oh wow. Wait, no, it's stripes. Guys, that is so pretty. I am so obsessed with this. Look at this. It matches my house. Can you believe that? I feel like they just know. Oh, I'm so glad that I got this color too. That is amazing. I think you guys are gonna love this. This is so wintry, like just to like put on your lap or on the end of your bed. I love that it's neutral and like not too crazy and loud and kind of matches everything. So I have so many places to put this in my house. Oh, I get so happy when they put like home decor items in there. Like sometimes you get candles or like little accessories to put on your tables, but I love that they put a throw blanket in there. Like this is just amazing. I feel like honestly, you could wear this as like a thick scarf too, because you know, people in Canada, like back home, they wear scarves like this. Like maybe you could wear it as a scarf, and it's super warm and cute. Like honestly, I have so many different uses for this thing. I hope you guys liked today's video. I hope you guys like seeing what's inside the Fabfitfun boxes, and especially like seeing the details behind it and seeing other options you can choose. Because if you guys sign up, you guys can see all the different options that you can get. So your box might not end up like my box. So they're all really different and personalized now, which is I think so amazing and special, especially for like a gift for somebody. If you know them really well, you guys can pick and choose different items that you know that they would like. I think it would make such a good gift, and I want to help you guys out with that. So definitely use my code KM10 to get $10 off your box, so you guys can get this whole box full of all of these expensive, amazing things for $39.99. So I'll leave all that information down below in the description box so you guys can try that out too. But I hope you guys liked today's video. I hope you guys like unboxing videos. If you guys want to see any more, let me know. Definitely leave a comment down below what your favorite item in this box was. I think mine might be the Jade roller, because I think it's so unique and special and like just something that I might not have bought on my own. So I think it's really cool that it came in the box. And then definitely the throw blanket, because I love when they put home decor stuff in there that I can add to my house. And also I just wanted to say thank you for all of your amazing comments on my Coffee with Kristen video. I love that you guys enjoyed that and loved the story times, and a lot of you guys were like connecting to me saying that you may feel the same way. I am happy to help you guys by sharing my stories, and like, you know, we might as well all not feel so alone sometimes. So sharing stories and like sharing advice here and there, it definitely helps a lot of people. I love watching videos that are like sit down talks like that too. So I'll definitely do more of those, more Coffee with Kristen, maybe like once every week. Maybe I'll include that as part of my weekly posting. So yeah, I'm so happy that you guys enjoyed that. And also my next few videos are gonna be a lot of like, you know, holiday decor, holiday DIYs, Christmas decorating videos, just like a lot of like, you know, holiday winter themed videos, because now I have this Christmas tree and it's not decorated, as you can see. I've got the lights, but I need to decorate it. We're probably gonna do like different styles in different videos. So definitely let me know if you guys wanna see anything in particular on my channel, and I can include that as part of my posting schedule. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.